Greetings to everyone. This is Nishra Shah. I am a student of Masters in Construction Engineering and Management at CEPT University. As a part of the studio, construction project formulation and appraisal, a study on the feasibility of a 60 MLD sewage treatment plant in Gujarat is done. Most of the sewage flows from the entire city passing through long lengths of the sewage system before reaching the sewage treatment plant, and for that purpose a sewage treatment plant for the decentralization purpose is being constructed to treat the raw sewage by providing appropriate treatment. The project is a greenfield project, and the technology used for the project is sequencing batch reactor. In this presentation, I will be discussing the baseline and the financial feasibility of the project. Project baseline is an initial plan prepared by the stakeholders, which includes different deliverables, schedules, scope of works, and costs. Starting with the work breakdown structure, the project is divided into 6 major phases: the inception phase, the procurement phase, the design phase, the construction phase, the completion phase, and the operation and maintenance phase. The inception phase, as mentioned here, covers the preparation of the detailed project report, different surveys, and the approvals for the project. The inception phase is followed by the procurement of various consultants and contractors. The steps for the procurement of empaneled consultants and contractors are mentioned here. Further comes the engineering phase, where schematic layouts of the plant and design of different units are prepared by the contractor, as the project is on EPC contract. The proofreading of these designs are done by the proofreading consultants. Based on the designs, construction of different components of the plant is done by the contractor, and monitoring of all the works is done by the project management consultant. The completion phase covers the trial run period, which is followed by the operation and maintenance of the plant. The operation and maintenance phase covers the repair of MEP and civil structure components. It also covers the dewatering of the sludge and the disposal of the treated sewage. Using the work breakdown structure, costs are determined for different phases. Costs for different phases for the sewage treatment plant are mentioned here. The total estimated cost of the project is around 95 crores. 75% of the total cost is covered under the construction phase. Inception phase covers the cost of DPR consultant, different approvals, and different surveys. The cost for the same is approximately 85 lakhs. The cost of the procurement phase includes the publishing cost of an NIT in newspaper and different mediums, which is around 17,000. The contractor's cost and the cost for mechanical architectural teams are considered under the engineering phase. The cost breakdown for construction works, labors, materials, and the cost for electrical plumbing works are mentioned here in the slide. The total cost for the construction phase is around 71 crores. And then comes the operation and maintenance cost, which includes the cost for the repair and maintenance of civil and MEP works and the dewatering of sludge, which is around 17 crores. The economic feasibility is used to determine whether the given project is financially viable or not. Generally, government projects are for public welfare, and there aren't any benefits in these types of projects. But for the STP project, we have considered different scenarios and different benefits. There are two cash outflows: the capital cost and the O&M cost for 30 years. And for cash inflows, there are three major benefits: the property tax generated from the residents, the newer sewage connections, and the revenue generated from the industries by selling the treated water. The IRR generated from these three benefits was 1%, and to increase this IRR, we also assumed a scenario by adding the revenue generated from the airport by reusing the treated water, and the IRR was increased by 1%, which is 2%, which suggests that the project is financially viable. Now, using the work breakdown structure, we also evaluated the total project duration with the help of Microsoft Project. The assumed date for the project is 13 February 2019. The estimated duration of the project is 4840 days, which also includes 10 years of operation and maintenance period. These are the conclusions drawn from the different deliverables. The work breakdown structure helped us in understanding the procurement methods for empaneled consultants and contractors for government projects. The cost breakdown structure helped us in evaluating the total project cost and the market rates for different goods and services. For the economic feasibility, different grants and scenarios for the government projects were studied to generate higher IRR, and project baseline helped us in evaluating the total duration for the project. Thank you.